Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm so excited for today's episode because we are going back to one of my favorite luxury brands, Christian Dior. Yes, so we are going to go back to Greenbelt and check out their new collection, what they have. Plus, of course, guys, you know my secret. I'm going to be finding everything. Would be linking the links on the description box below. Plus, I will be including the prices and all the good things you need to know from our shopping episode for today. So what are you waiting for? Let's start shopping. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs also and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-going fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @PremierPie2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, our next shopping adventure is we are going to Christian Dior. So let us check out some very beautiful bags. Enjoy! So let us check out first the very beautiful window display. So here we are at Greenbelt 4, the flagship store of Christian Dior here in the Philippines. We have here Lady Dior and Lady Joy bag. Are you seeing the very beautiful dark red patent leather Lady Dior? Here we have the menswear bag section. This is a very beautiful messenger bag. What do you think of this diamond CD Dior logo? Is it a yes or no for you guys? Then here we have some menswear, ready to wear pieces. Still while waiting online, so we're still checking out the window display here. We have very beautiful Lady Dior display. So again, patent leather. It's very apparent for the new season of many luxury brand. Here we have a saddle bag for men's.
This is the micro naman ng Lady Dior, 250. And then
I think Dior has already had their price increase because if my memory serves me correctly, the last time that I've checked this micro Lady Dior, it's only 225k. Now it's 250k. Here we have some very beautiful Caro bag for 250k. I love the color of this one. It looks really luxurious. What do you think of the Caro bag in general for the Lady Dior classic collections? Guys, what do you think of these Lady Dior art? Is it a yes or no for you? For me, the one with eyes, definitely. It's beautiful to look at, but I think it would not be part of my collection anytime soon. So here we are checking out very beautiful Caro bags in the very different leather finishes as well. Then we have some micro Dior bags over here. $390. Not bad. I like it. Oh. Size. I'm loving this large size Lady Dior. I feel this is the one that would be perfect for me if ever I would be adding a Lady Dior to my collection. What do you think, guys? Although when I tried this one, I could remember it's already heavy even without anything inside. Here we have this very fluffy Caro bag. What do you think of this one in lambskin color? Then this is the medium size for 360k.
Nice din ba?
OMG, how beautiful is the artwork in this Lady Dior. What do you think, guys? Here we have just showcasing the very beautiful Lady Dior at the store. Then we have some saddle bag and this very beautiful embroidery. I feel that is one of their latest collection. Then of course we have it in the leather version. This was the vanity bag that I was trying out the last time that I visited. Here we have some micro Lady Diors. Then we have a saddle bag for 245k. So when I've asked the CA, he mentioned that the longer shoulder strap already comes with. Now let us check out some goodies and eye candies at the menswear section. Guys, I would like to ask everyone, how do you feel about this diamond Christian Dior logo? Is it a yes or no for you guys? So kindly comment down below. Me personally, I would be sticking with the classic, like for example this very beautiful oblique pattern. Even for menswear, I think it also works perfectly. Here we have some saddle bomb bags still at the menswear section. How cute are these bags? So here we have totes, then of course saddle bomb bags. We have some clutches, then we have the Dior roller pouch. If I'm not mistaken, the price of that one is around 100k Philippine pesos. Then we have their version of the Keepa 45 and the Dior Oblique. Then of course they have their travel pouches as well. Anything you are liking here so far, guys? Are you a fan, like for example choosing a bag from the menswear section? I believe one of my favorite blogger, Cassie, she also loves bags from the menswear section. Here we have some very beautiful ready to wear. Let us check out the very beautiful Dior section. I'm currently looking for a medium-sized bag like this. What do you think of this one for 180k? I wasn't familiar that Dior also have their own version of the nylon bags. Then we have more menswear bags for you. Now let us check out some very beautiful shoe collection still from the menswear section. OMG, these are so cute. Definitely, it's a big yes for me. This one also, I so love this one. Reminds me of Rick Owens shoes. Then we have some sneakers. More Dior sneakers. Loving these bags. Hi guys, so we have just finished at Christian Dior. Hope you enjoyed our episode for today. Where did you enjoy our shopping episode? So guys, what did you love from our episode for today? Honestly, me, I fell in love with the Lady Dior. I think the size is medium or large. Anyway, it's the large size. I super love this size. I think it's perfect for me. So I may be checking this one out also on the pre-love market because I know we have good deals at the pre-love market. Thank you so much to the CAs and Dior for being providing the best customer service. So how about you guys? Kindly comment down below among the beautiful selection we have showcased for today. Which ones are your favorite? Would love to add to your wish list. Again guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Ramir52 for daily updates and sighting tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!